previous video, I have shown you how you can fold in functions to hide the implementation. We can try that here. We can fold the functions in, fold them out, view the implementation, or view just the headers. In this video, I will show you one extra feature. I can right-click a function and freeze the function. If I freeze the function, I get this little freezing icon here on my function definition. Let me freeze all my functions. So I'm selecting here with my keys all the other functions, right-click them and freeze all my functions. So now I can see I have all the functions frozen. The effect of freezing functions is that the implementation will be hidden while the function is frozen. So if I now fold out the function definitions, I can see the header and the comments, and I click this again, I go back to the full header. So it will now not show me the implementation of the function. The same obviously also when I do this interactively, it just toggles between the header state and the documentation state, and the implementation will remain hidden. If you hand out projects to your pupils, if you're a teacher, you can freeze the function as an indication to your students that they are not expected to either modify or understand the implementation of the functions, that they use these function definitions essentially as a consumer to call these functions, but to work only in the unfrozen parts of your project. Freezing is not it's not a security mechanism. You know, any student can, when they work with a program, unfreeze the function and then look at the implementation if they want to, but it sends a signal to the students that they should not need to do this. And it also makes it more convenient when we cycle through the different view states of the folding of the functions to essentially leave the implementation of the functions hidden.